In this video, we'll be looking at the topic, the Revised Igbo Alphabet. Our fathers who invented Igbo handed down 36 letters of the Igbo alphabet to us. We'll be using this alphabet for a very long time, but we discovered that one of the letters was omitted. Now we have 37 letters of the Igbo alphabet. We'll read them out for you. Just follow, listen carefully so that you know how to pronounce them.
Igbo dị 37. Ha bụ A, B, Ch, D, E, F, G, B, E, G, H, I, J, K, B, Q, L, M, N,